Want to know how to keep your garden in balance when growing garlic, radishes, carrots, lettuce, and chamomile? Let's dive into how these plants work together to create a thriving, harmonious garden, even in the colder months. So, it's January. Your garden might look quiet, but don't be fooled. Underneath that peaceful surface, everything is in motion. Winter gardening isn't about rushing for spring. It's about finding the right balance and making sure all the plants are working together to create a healthy, thriving ecosystem. Let's start with garlic. Garlic is a wonderful plant because it's tough and resilient. When you plant garlic in the fall, it's preparing to grow strong roots during the colder months. While garlic might not seem to do much above the soil, it's busy underneath, strengthening its roots for the spring. Garlic also plays a key role in keeping balance in your garden. It releases natural compounds that repel pests like aphids and other insects that can harm your plants. Garlic is the silent guardian, keeping everything in check and ensuring pests don't disrupt the balance you're creating. Radishes, on the other hand, are the fast growers. They're ready early in the season, and they're crucial in balancing the soil. Radishes grow quickly, with long roots that break up compacted soil, allowing other plants to spread their roots more easily. This is important in winter when the soil can become dense and heavy. Radishes loosen the soil, making it easier for plants like carrots to thrive. Radishes are the go-getters, working quickly to get the garden in shape for the slower-growing plants. While garlic keeps pests away, radishes ensure that the soil remains light and breathable. Carrots, however, grow slowly. They take their time, but the results are worth the wait. Carrots need loose, aerated soil to grow deep and strong, and radishes provide just that. Garlic also helps keep pests, like the carrot fly, away. Carrots are patient, but with the right support from radishes and garlic, they grow deep, healthy roots. Lettuce is a bit more delicate. It's vulnerable to cold and pests, but it thrives alongside garlic. Garlic helps protect lettuce from pests like aphids, which often target tender leaves. Lettuce doesn't take up much space, so it fits in between other plants. With some extra care, like row covers or mulch, lettuce can survive in the cold. Lettuce and garlic are the dream team, offering protection and making the most of the space in your garden. Chamomile is often overlooked, but it's essential for soil health. While it may not be visible above ground, chamomile helps maintain balance by improving the soil with its antifungal properties. It prevents diseases from spreading, especially in damp winter conditions, and promotes beneficial microbes. Chamomile is the quiet hero, enhancing the soil environment for all your plants, ensuring that everything stays healthy and strong. So why does all this work so well together? It's about balance. Garlic protects the garden from pests, while radishes loosen the soil and make space for deeper roots. Carrots grow deep, benefiting from the lightened soil and the protection garlic provides. Lettuce gets extra protection from pests, and chamomile helps keep the soil healthy. Each plant has a role, and together they create a balanced, thriving garden. Maintaining balance in the garden is about understanding the needs of each plant. Some need protection, others need help with soil, and some just need time to grow. By allowing plants to support one another, you can create a healthy garden even in winter. Slow growth is still growth, and the work being done now will pay off in the coming months. By understanding how plants support each other, you can create a garden that thrives season after season. Winter gardening teaches us that balance is key. Your garden may seem quiet right now, but it's working behind the scenes. Keep taking care of it, and when spring comes, you'll see the results. It's not just about surviving the cold. It's about setting the stage for the future. And your garden is ready for it. Thanks for watching. How are you balancing your garden? Drop a comment below, like and share if you found this helpful. You can grow it.